Hi, my name is Mohammad Paras Khan. I am a graphic designer and social media manager on Upwork.com. In 2019, I have completed a creative design course from eRozgar, which is an initiative by Pakistan Information and Technology Board. From that time to until today, I have won many designs competitions and completed over 200 plus projects on different freelancing platforms, which includes 32 completed projects on Upwork.com with a 100% job success ratio and all 5-star rating. Client experience is my number one priority, and that's reflected in my Upwork profile with plenty of 5-star reviews. Extensive experience of Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Premiere Pro from 2007 to current version. I also work on Canva and CapCut. In addition to Adobe variants, I also have experience with social media management and social media marketing. I have successfully managed social media marketing for businesses like City Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, Progressive Dental Podcast, Blueprint COC, dozens of restaurants and cafes, and some top organizations worldwide. I have developed designs approval process, business intelligence, insights and reports to improve metrics using Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Documents, Google Forms, and some other paid tools. I have also used some communication platforms and task management platforms like Slack, Buffer, Asana, Basecamp, and a few more. I really enjoy knowledge sharing and helping others. If you are looking for best, modern, engaging, and visually appealing graphic designer, then please feel free to have a thorough look on my Upwork profile, and you will get an idea of the quality that I am talking about. I would love to hear about your project details and most importantly, how I can help you. Please feel free to contact me today so we can schedule a meeting to discuss your project details and about my portfolio. And also let me convince you that why I am a perfect fit for your project needs. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to meeting you. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.